right now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello friends, IBPS PO notification already released. I think you are in a hurry for applying this, but different banks reported different number of vacancies, and it causes a dilemma among many aspirants. So which bank has to choose on top, and how to prioritize banks while filling an application form. So friends, in this video I will be discussing this question in detail so that you can make a decision while filling up the online application form. So as per the notification, out of 11 banks, only 3 banks were reported to IBPS as per the notification on 4th August. But recently, I mean yesterday, a new bank, that is Bank of Maharashtra, also reported to IBPS for recruiting 250 plus vacancies, 250 vacancies. So including Bank of Maharashtra's 250 vacancies, now overall vacancies are 1114, 1117. 1417 vacancies. So you can find on screen those vacancies with including 250 posts of Bank of Maharashtra, overall 1417 vacancies. And let us quickly, I'll repeat bank wise vacancies. Some banks are given not report also. So first of all, I'll repeat Bank of India's vacancies, total vacancies is 734, and Bank of Maharashtra 250, Punjab and Sindh Bank 83 only, and the last one UCO Bank recruiting 350 posts. So last year I think UCO Bank recruited around 500 plus posts. So this time UCO Bank recruiting only 350 posts. So when it comes to NR, so NR it is means not reported. So that means they have not informed IBPS so far how many vacancies are vacant at their banks. So in their banks, so chances are there they may report to IBPS so soon. So that is not sure, but they see if you take Bank of Baroda, they are given 0. So 0 means they won't take. So there are no vacancies available for the business expansion in the couple of years for the next year. So but when Canara Bank reported, now it is not reported NR, and Indian Bank NR and Punjab National Bank NR. So there are some chances are there to give their vacancies to IBPS. So that let me see, time will decide. Now when it comes to big question, that is how to put preferences, how to give a bank's order. So there are several factors one need to keep in mind while filling up the bank in a certain order. So that here I made a plan for that. So now I will divide into 3 categories for filling these preferences. So that first one is vacancy wise, and second one is largest bank network, and third one is home state wise. So vacancy wise, this is quite simple and no confusion. That no need to over button, and you just you have to give the preferences as per the notification, that vacancies wise. So we will see in detail about this. And the second one is the largest bank network. So after State Bank of India in India, after SBI in India, branch network wise, public sector banks are expanded huge areas all over the country. So there are many big banks are there after SBI. So that also we will see. We'll take a look in detail. And last one is I prepared that category. Last category is home state wise. So whether you may be from north, southern part, maybe the west or east part of India. So we need to find out that which head bank's headquarter is near to your home place. So now moving on to first category, that is vacancy wise. As per the notification, give your first 4 preferences as Bank of India, UCO Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, and Punjab and Sindh Bank. Why Bank of India means obviously they are recruiting 734 posts, it is more than other banks. So UCO Bank in second place with 350, and third place Maharashtra with 250, Bank of Maharashtra with 250, and last one is Punjab and Sindh Bank 83. So if you want to decide a vacancy wise priority order, just go blindly and give this order. So rest banks choose your wish to put, and right from the first you give top 5 banks are like this: Bank of India, UCO Bank, Bank of Maharashtra, Punjab and Sindh Bank, and rest you can put as you wish. And I hope you got it right. Now let's see branch network wise preference order. Why largest bank network wise preference order? Because the recent trend will be towards privatization, merger and amalgamation of banks. So if you are in large bank, if you are working there, then the chances of getting privatization become less, because already it is established, it is big banks. So getting a chance of getting privatization become less, and career wise also much better than other banks. So larger banks should be your priorities, should be your top priorities. So here I would suggest BOB is the first in this list. So it BOB having with 85,000 plus employees and with having branches 9,500 plus branches all over to India. When it comes to in second order, Punjab National Bank, Punjab National Bank having also a big network. They're also having around 11,000 plus branches and 1 lakh plus employees. But compared to the Bank of Baroda, tagline is India's international bank, so work culture will be very good in Bank of Baroda. So that's why here I have given top priority Bank of Baroda, and the second Punjab National Bank. And when it comes to third bank, Canara and Syndicate. So in South India recently Canara and Syndicate both were merged, so they became a big network in the southern part of the India. So around 10,000 plus branches all over the India, and around 90,000 plus employees working in Canara Bank. So when it comes to fourth priority, Union Bank of India. So recently Union Bank of India, the Vijay Bank, Union Bank of India, Corporation Bank and Andhra Bank. So two banks were merged into Union Bank of India. So Union Bank of India also given having around 75,000 plus employees and around 9,600 plus vacant branches all over the India. And when it comes to fifth one, fifth order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So fifth one is Indian Bank and Allahabad Bank. So recently Allahabad Bank merged with Indian Bank. So this is also one of the southern part of the bank. Southern part of the bank, this is headquarters Chennai Indian Bank. The Indian Bank also having branches around 6,000 plus and having employees with 42,000. So this, if you want to follow largest bank network wise priority, so I would suggest these order. So first one is Bank of India, and second one is Punjab National Bank, third one is Canara Bank, fourth one is Union Bank of India, and fifth one is Indian Bank. Now third category is home state wise. So why home state wise means recently State Bank of India has released a notification, a recruitment regarding that is circle wise recruitment. So circle wise means even if you are for example if you are from Maharashtra, then you have applied for Maharashtra, you are applied for this probation officer. It is all over India competition, but even though after recruiting your posting will be in Maharashtra state itself, so they won't put you in Madhya Pradesh, they want to put you in Chhattisgarh or Orissa for some certain of time, for some certain years, that is around 3 to 5 years or 7 to 8 years. So like the circle wise recruitment as made in SBI, so that there are some chances are there in other public sector banks also to follow this SBI trend. So that here in my point of view, I would suggest if you are belong to northern part of India, that is Rajasthan or Haryana, Punjab, Uttar Pradesh, so your first priority I would suggest Union Bank of India, and second priority is Bank of India, and third one is Punjab and Sindh Bank as per the notification. So if you are belong to southern part of India, then in southern part of India, Canara Bank, Indian Bank and Union Bank of India also. Because why Union Bank of India I am telling is recently Andhra Bank and Corporation Bank both were merged into Union Bank of India. So in south also they are having many branches. So if you belong to southern part of India, then your first priority should Indian Bank, and second one is Canara Bank, third one is Indian Bank of India. And if you belong to middle part of the country, so that is if you are from Gujarat, MP, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Jharkhand, Bihar, so you can your priority, your first priority should be Bank of Baroda, and second one is Bank of Maharashtra, and third one is Indian Bank of India, fourth one is Bank of India. And if you belong to eastern part of India, then Punjab National Bank you have to put your top priority, because by now recently Oriental Bank of Commerce merged with this Punjab National Bank. So for eastern part of states, there is no other option to choose. So first priority will be Punjab National Bank, and second one is UCO Bank, and rest of the priority banks you can give as per your wish. So as far as home state is concerned, so the headquarter of the bank should be near to your home state. That is very safe. Friends, I hope now you got and some idea about bank preference order. So if you liked it, just hit the like button and share with your friends who are applying this PO exam. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe my Invoting YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest notification to your mobile. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Jai Hind.